How to remove your Gmail account from another device. If you've signed into your Gmail account on another device and want to remove it for security or privacy reasons, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and simply go to your Google account settings. You can do that by simply typing myaccount.google.com. Now once you're in your Google account, simply go to the security tab. Now scroll down to your devices. As you can see here, simply tap on manage all devices and find the device you want to remove and click or tap on it. Let's say choose one of the, and as you can see here, simply sign or simply click on sign out to unlink your Google account from that device. Confirm the action and the device will no longer have access to your Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Gmail account from another device.